wanna play my DJ. I wanna rap it. Play my blood clot DJ. I'm a shot at selector boy.
Yo, what's up? Jambisco back in the music lab with another banger. You already know what time it is. Yeah, man, guys, see what we today. We got Qwella. Yeah, man, Qwella back in our music lab today. And we got Mark X. Right, check it out and see what dog I deal with. You don't know. Qwella, up and coming dancer artist, you know what I'm saying? Got a little buzz, especially with him single with him and I believe was it Starcash them one with bad fucking bougie bitch. You know what I'm saying? Did his thing, you know what I'm saying? Got a little buzz. And now he's growing and coming up in the dancer scene. And he dropped a song like 6 days ago entitled Mark X. I wanna check it out to a dog I deal with. You don't know. So yeah, we don't want to hold up the vibes much longer. You see me, so I jump right now and try. This is Qwella, Mark X. Let's get it.
Force. Let's get it.
Dog Parry, Nigeria. Okay, Nigeria and Qwella Parry. Alright, say hello.
Yeah, back, Qwella. Why see?
You that one name emoji as well? Alright, okay, alright.
Yeah, a couple extra portal, bad Corolla, currency in a pocket, no local phone bang, flippy cashy, fuck up his social, big program, I cook up and no crack, I told tag a pussy this.
Okay, the flow kind of different, but that go on, we see that you come here.
Me said him got no God, my life bad bitch full of energy, so light, she suck it cocky good, she not shy by polar, freak out.
I gonna say like bad bitch full of energy, solar. Come here.
The door like a choke pan, my dick pan a slow song, force, pocket cashy, dog years, Wallani, ex-chippy up, down a Roland, I bitch a suck my dick, she a go hard with choke, I'm good, me not suffer, Holland.
Okay, me kinda like some of this. I ain't gonna lie to you. You kinda like the like chaotic kind of sound. Alright, come on.
Fresh in a Gucci when I stun out, we grab car. Spin out Marina in a sun out, we love cash. A portal with a mukbang. C300 says she need for fuck, me smell the creatures, suck dick, me clean and buzzing bad.
C300 says she need for fuck, me smell the creed and suck dick.
Bitch, don't flip with her tongue, make it happy, swallow everything. She no clumsy, bad range, I take on the road like Humvee or bun cliff. My gun is in a my lap with a chunky, crash and dark, bunty, you dig me? Back it, cash it.
Crash and dark, bunty, easy no man.
Dog years Wallani, ex-chippy up down a Roland. Hype bitch a suck my dick, she a go hard the choke, I'm go me not suffer, Holland. Fresh in a Gucci, man a stunner. Grab cat, spin out, Marina in a sunner. We love cash, a portal.
I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm kind of fucking with this flow. Yeah, man, I'm kind of fucking with this flow, like doing something different. Alright, come on.
Road with a mukbang, premium drift tire bunner. Yeah. Extra portal, bad Corolla, currency in a pocket, no local phone bank. Flippy cashy, man fuck up his social. Big program, I cook up and no crack. I do a
big program, I cook up, you know, crack. I'm telling you, so.
Tag a pussy, this me send him got no God. Me like bad bitch, full of energy, so alive. Suck it, cocky, good.
Pussy, this me send him got no God. You see me like bad bitch, energy, solar. I want to.
She not side by polar, freak out. As it do like a choke pan, but it pan a slow song. Force, pocket cash, you see style. Man pocket cash, dog, you know Qwella. Man pocket cash, fuck them I said that. Man full of money.
Only thing about one, remember, yeah, I'm messing with the flow, bro. Different dog. You see me, people are gonna say, yo, I want dog, I did that, but trust me. If you listen to the song, go, yeah, that is different.
What's like jewelry? I bust it on your road. Way, bust on your big, bust on your chop. You hear me? Yes, with a chop squad. Familiar as a bad yo. I see. It's a picture thing. Yeah, no one. Bumbo clock up.
Easy, no? Blood, clean out the mother them thing, man. Yeah, I mean, Qwella. Yeah, man. This is a bad man.
When I chop, bumbo clock, chop skull. In that bat. Yo, fix them bat. Yo, spam. Bumbo clock, yo, room.
Easy, no? Alright, that's Qwella, Mark X. Dog doing thing pan the one, You know what I'm saying? Qwella, up and coming artist. You see me, I say, Yeah, man. Dog them thing, man. They want a different. You see me, dog come with a different style, a different mud chop style. You know what I'm saying? And me not lie, I kind of fuck with it. You see me? A lot of people gonna be like, yo, I guess they probably not used to hearing this type of sound from him. And they not expect this type of flow from him. You see me? So they probably gonna be wondering like, yo, what's going on? But dog do him thing, bro. Dog chopping, dog. You see me? That was flowing, bro. The beat hard. I ain't gonna cap to you. You see me? Listen to that beat and dog flow upon it. Yeah, man. You definitely listen to it again. Listen to your phone. Listen to your car. You hear that bad. You see me? So shout out to Qwella. That was Mark X. You see me? People don't know anything about the one day in the comment section. Go ahead and drop your emojis. Yeah, see me the fire emojis, trash emoji, whatever you think in the comment section. Let me know now. Watch them as well. I mean, definitely, if you like it, they go show the artist all over and support, make you know say Jambisco dance in you. You see me and say, yeah, man. So that was a dope track. Qwella, Mark X, guys, go check it out. Let me know anything about the one day. Yeah, see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I'm fucking with it. So, yeah, it's a vibe. Till next time, guys, I don't know my boy Jambisco. Yeah, I was here when I hit and I smashed a banger. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.